guys, so for your midterm exam, so you should prepare an introduction of your research paper. So what would be the component of an introduction? Ano po yung laman ng introduction ng research ninyo? Okay, so first, you should answer these 4 questions. What am I studying? Why is this topic important to investigate? What do we already know about this topic, or what have other experts discovered about the topic? Then, how will my research advance new knowledge or new ways of understanding? Okay. Those 4 questions should be in your introduction. So, example research here. Okay, so this is the title. So, based from the title, you can already see kung ano ba yung gustong i-research. Okay, so sabi, stimulating the economic growth and social welfare of Benguet using geotagging. Okay, so sabi dun sa first, sabi niya, what am I studying? Ano ba yung ini-study ko? So, I was studying about the economic growth ng Benguet. Okay. So, here, ano ba yung ini-study? So, first pa lang ang introduction, dapat ma-define ninyo or masabi ninyo kung para ano ba yung ini-study ninyo and why. Bakit nyo siya ini-study? Why is this topic important to investigate? So, example here. Yan. So, according sa website na to, according to poverties.org, poverty is a major cause of social tensions and threatens to divide a nation. It is the oldest and the most resistant virus that brings about a devastating disease in the third world countries. In 2012, extreme poverty in the Philippines was estimated at 19.2% of the population, or about 18.4 million people. Okay, so yan na yung reason kung bakit ini-study yung bakit important siyang i-study. Yung reason because of poverty. Yan. Benguet has the third lowest poverty incidence in the country. So, bakit ko siya ini-study? Because sabi, Benguet has the third lowest. Yan. Okay. However, due to natural disasters that devastated the province, farming and primary livelihood of the people has greatly affected. So, there were, okay, and billion damage. Okay, so, itong study na ito kasi is from last 2000, January 2019. Kaya bagong-bago pa yung nangyari nung August and September 2018. Okay. Next. What do we already know about this topic, or what have other experts discovered about the topic? So, dito ngayon, pumapasok yung mga nakita nating RRL based from your keywords. You have search keywords and then you look for RRL. So, from here kasi, my keywords are geotagging, data analysis, and machine learning. So, here, tingnan natin yung mga RRL, yung mga study nun. Okay, so this one, Information and Communication Technology. Okay, so ito yung mga previous study. Diba? Okay, so I will give you the sample research so that makita nyo siya. Okay, so it's about ICT, about GIS. Yan. Okay, so may highlight ako dito. About the data analytics that will help, ayan, data analytics, techniques and algorithms to analyze the information on welfare of the community and provide nearly real-time data that is valuable analytical input into decision-making about the allocation of government funds, regional planning, and general policy formulation. Data analytics refers to, okay, so this is a definition of data analytics. And then if you have noticed, ayan, so may mga numbers dito, may mga numbers yan. So this is for the references. So, for example, this first part, galing siya sa isang website. So, may one dyan. Kailangan nyo nga isulat yung ginawa nyong activity sa RRL. Ilagay nyo sa references dito. Ngayon sa baba. Yan, references. So, kung 1 doon, so saan galing na reference yun? So, ilagay nyo dito. So, every reference na ginamit nyo, na galing sa RRL, must be here. Okay, so, yun yung sa RRL. Then, how will my research advance new knowledge or new ways of understanding? So, ano ba ang may tutulong ng research ninyo? So, ayan yung mga 4 questions that you need to answer. Okay, so let's have the step-by-step components of a research paper. Yung mga components ng research paper. First, component 1. Establish the problem or issue you want to research. Highlight the importance of the problem. Make general statements about the problem issue. Present an overview on current research on the issue or problem. So, i-define ninyo yung problem na yon. So, parang dito sa Philippines, bakit kailangan natin i-solve ang poverty? Parang yun, parang dito sinasabi, bakit natin kailangan i-solve ang poverty at paano natin mai-solve ang poverty using a geotagging application. So, yun, highlight the importance. So, bakit siya importante? Okay, so yun. So, that is the first component. So, dapat may lagyan nyo yung importance niya. Next component, provide an overview of existing thinking about or research into your research problem. So, yan na yung mga RRL natin. Okay. So, yun yung mga overview. So, kung ilan yung mga RRL ninyo, ilagay ninyo lahat doon. Okay, next. Component 3, identify a gap, problems, or unresolved issues. If may nakita man kayo dun sa existing na researches, you can identify it. Itong component 3 na to, pwede itong wala at pwede rin meron. Kasi paano if wala kang na-identify na gaps existing, di ba? You can identify a gap. Next, sa component number 4, you must state your research question, your hypothesis, and your knowledge gain, making sure to place your research within the gap in existing knowledge. So you must state the intent of your study, including the research question and your hypothesis. Okay? Outline the key characteristics of your study. Describe the important results that you have found or hope to find. Example here. Yan, tingnan natin dito. Okay, so ito na siya. Yung last. So this study aims to stimulate the economic growth and social welfare of Benguet through geotagging the target population and different programs and services of the government. So ito talaga yung idea ng study. First, specifically, so these are the research questions na ngayon. So yung research questions kasi, you're going to make it to a sentence. So parang ang first na question dito, how to identify, this study aims to identify and discuss the link between gender and poverty to aid the government in formulating, implementing, monitoring, and evaluating of plans, policies, and programs that promote equality in the economic and social situation of men and women in the province of Benguet. So, ito kasi yung first na research question. So, what is the link between gender and poverty? So, yun kasi yung first na research question ko. What is the link between gender and poverty? So, yung first na research question. And next, na research question dito, what are the common purposes in acquiring barangay indigent certificate and business closure certificates? So, yung research question na number 2. So, yung research question na number 2 na yan, kailangan natin siya ngayong gawing sentence ulit. The study shall also identify and categorize the common purposes in acquiring barangay indigent certificates and business closure. Okay. Then, next, number 3, number 2 pala at number 3 magkasama na yun. Identify the common purpose and availing in the insertion government formulating. Okay, so and then, okay, so yun na yun. Describe the important results that you have found or hope to find. Key characteristics. So, nandito na siya ngayon. Ano ba yung mga key characteristics niya? So, makikita naman ninyo na dyan yung mga. Ayan. Okay.